Bctx stock is showing some strength in this pre-market session of today, the 24th of April 2025. As you can see, it's up roughly 55%. The gain was actually up to 127%, going by this intraday high of 12.37 that was printed not very long ago. So the company is indicating that, or rather confirming the sustained complete resolution of the long metastasis it first reported in February of this year. This comes 2 months after initial treatment in the ongoing phase 1 of 2 Bria-OTS study. The latest data at 4 months also demonstrates stable disease elsewhere. So that's what's going on right now. So let's have a look and see what's going on the chart. This is its daily chart. So we would just go back to the 4-hour chart and get an idea of what's going on. Yeah, get to the 4-hour chart and see what's going on here. Let's see. Yeah, got a rejection over there at 12.37 or thereabouts. Yeah. What is going on? High prices are projected for the 10, 21, 40 period moving averages on this 4-hour chart. We can also try and find out we can also extrapolate the price of the stock itself. So all we need to do is just change this to 40 and make it one. One obviously is talking about the price of the stock itself. So yeah, let's see what it's going to give us. Yeah, okay. So it might pivot in a few hours now, but the trend is for a retest of this highs with a retest of 9.85 at some point. Yeah, we're seeing something of that nature plotting out, but after that we might see a decline. So okay, this is not going to happen today, but it's going to be in place by this is projected up till Monday, up till Friday, the 2nd of May. So for today's session, not really. Just weaker prices are projected, but tomorrow, the 25th, a rebound might occur. So note also that there are a couple of downward projections here that may prove a support. So this pivot might turn out to be the case. You know, this is the extrapolation of its 10 of the. This is the extrapolation. This is the extrapolation of the price itself, and these other ones are. This is a 10 period, and the 21 period moving averages. So as things stand here right now, we have 5.26, a downward projection, may prove a support. So let's come back and amidst all of that, if you like, let's just quickly have a look at the 1 minute chart, just for fancy, just for fancy. You know, it's not going to be of any use. But by the time you're watching this, we have 9.4 at some point in this session, 9.44. Here, upper projections 9.65. Okay, let's come back to the daily chart and see. Yeah, daily chart. Here, we're going to see what's going to happen, what is expected to happen. But I'm not exactly sure that it is it has factored in what's going on today, because right now we are looking at projecting a price of 5.25. The market has opened. The stock is already beyond that. So it may not be of great use to us at the moment, just given that an event has occurred. An event has occurred, so it may not be the most useful. Looking at that, those extrapolations may not be that much useful, because I mean we want to look at prevailing circumstances. We want to look at what is going on right now. So if we didn't have this event, if we didn't have this news, then we may we could, by all means, pay some regard to the what's going on that daily chart. So let's see now. This is the monthly chart. Let's have a look. We're going to use a market grid, and it's going to give us an idea of what the trading range for this month is expected to be. Um, I'm also wary of the fact that this monthly chart is not hasn't recognized what's going on right now. Let's see. Yeah, let me get the indicator. It's market grid. Yeah, so let's see. I'm suspecting that maybe it's I'm so okay. Let's get down and have a look here. Okay, so as things stand right now, it's yes, it has exceeded the RXT signal. This is the price where you have to, like, literally. I mean, this is the last warning. You shouldn't be in the stock right now. So it has exceeded that. So if it pulls back and comes back towards $4.5 or thereabout, then it's a comfortable position. It's a comfortable position. 4.53, like we can see here, 4.53. So those sort of levels, 4.53, I guess 2.77 will be an extreme. Even okay, 5.52 might be okay. So this is the range. Is the range is between well, we don't have negative values I mean, nobody trades that. So I would just say between 0.7924 and 7.39. A very, very, very wide range as things stand right now. So we will go back and have a look at that 4 hour chart and see the 4 hour chart. I think we had a couple of projections there. So let's see what we have here. What do we have? We have $7. So it might prove a support. I'm trying to see if we can compare them. Yeah. So it's $7 coincides with the upward range on the price on the topmost range of on that monthly chart. So what does that imply? It's implying that maybe it may pick up a support. It may pick up a support. It may bounce at this sort of levels. But it may also retrace further and get support around 6.56. So we have those sort of values. So 5.8. Yeah. So the odds of it coming down towards these levels, I think, just looking at it is there. So let's see what Bctx has in terms of float. Let's see what it has, because it can be a factor in some of these things. Yeah, low float, it seems 3.47. 3.47 million shares. Yeah, it's a low float stock. So going by this, we could still try and maybe try and project some upper projections, but yeah, we could do so, based on what has happened in this session. So I don't think it will be out of place. So if we take 12.37, and I think something is hanging here, 12.37, and then I'm trying to get a price here, the price at the top of this candle, 12.37. Yeah, let's see. For some reason, I'm not able to get a price. Yeah, okay, I have it. So I have a price here at 10.5. So we have a difference of, let's do the maths. So we have a difference of 1.87. Multiply that by 1.618. You add that to the current price of 8.48. We have 11.5. 11.5. 11.5. Okay, let's see. Okay, 13.38. These are the sort of projections that can play out on Bctx. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of Bctx. High prices are projected. High project, yeah. Let's see now. Let's confirm again if it's we have for the 10-day. The Let's if it's confirm it's if it's what we have for the price itself. I can't believe I can't. I've totally forgotten what I saw earlier on here. Okay, so let's change this to one. Yeah, okay. So, well, in any case, yes, yeah. This is not. It's not for today. So it's for all the way towards early May. So, but for today, a pullback is expected. Yeah, that's what we saw earlier. A pullback is expected today. Um, yeah, today it might begin to try to retest these highs in this session and then up to tomorrow. Yeah. So, but we have based on the fact that it's also a low float, we have those projections 11.5 and then 13.38. So, see what you make of Bctx, and thank you very much for watching this video.